What's up guys, it's Marissa with Krietz Customs showing off a brand new build that we just got completed. On the 2022 Ford Bronco, this is a Big Bend edition, and Krietz Customs went ahead and added that 3-inch suspension from Rough Country. This is going to be the strut spacer kit with the upgraded upper control arms. Now with that 3-inch suspension you can grab with that bigger wheel and tire package. This is going to be the fuel Typhoon in the matte black finish. This is a 22x12 with a -44 offset, and your tires are 35, 12, 50, 22. This is a Thompson Baja Boss AT. Which is an all-terrain tire. It's going to be great for daily driving. Now this is just some of the options that you can add to your build. Like I said, we can do a lot of different things here at Krietz Customs, running boards, as well as getting a hardtop for your Broncos and some different options. But I don't think a lot of people know that we can do a custom color match like we did on this Bronco. I think this Bronco is super clean. I love the emerald green color on this, and I think it looks great with the gloss black grille. They do come matte black from the factory, so we glossed this out, and then we went ahead and added the Bronco in the front here to the body color. We went ahead and did the front and rear bumpers as well to color match the body color, and the fender flares too. Now on this build, the suspension is the same with that 3-inch Rough Country suspension with the strut spacers and the upgraded control arms. We did add a different wheel and tire package. This is going to be the Fuel Rebel in a matte black finish in a 22x12, and the tire is a Nitto Ridge Grappler 35, 12, 50, 22. Now we can do the exterior of the body color. We can do the color matching, the blacking out, whichever you prefer, but we added the interior as well. You guys can see on the inside of the Bronco, we did the dashboard as well as the center console with that body color. So there's multiple different options and multiple different things you can do with the custom color matching that we can do your Bronco, your truck, your Jeep, whatever you have. If you want to learn more information, check us out on Facebook at Krietz Customs or hit us up at 301-694-4642, and we'd love to talk to you.